Hello friends, my name is Mahdi. Welcome to this video, and in this session I want to talk about the margin tags. Be with me. These tags are in CSS to specify the location of an element on the web page, and these tags are very important. For example, I write the div tag and put a text inside it. I write the tag for you, div opening and closing with a slash. Okay, and inside this tag, I write h1 tag. h1 opening and closing with a slash. And inside this tag, I write a text, for example, HTML and CSS. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. This is my text. Well, now I want to change the position of this post using the margin tag. To do this, I first write the style tag in head tag. Style, opening and closing with a slash. And then I write my tag name, that's div. I use this symbol to open and I use this symbol to close my style. Okay, and now for example I want to move my text to the right. I use the margin dash left tag. I write this tag for you, margin dash left, opening and closing. Okay, and now I have to write a value in here, and this value can be in px, for example 2000 px. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Okay, and now you see that my writing is far from the left, and the margin tags is used all website you see. If we want our text to be spaced from the top, we can use margin dash top. Okay, I write this tag for you, margin dash top, opening and closing. And for example, I write a value in px, 200 px. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Well, now you see that my text is spaced from the top. Okay? For better understanding, I create an HTML document. Okay? For example, I write div tag and I close this tag, and inside it I write h1 tag, opening and closing. Okay, and inside h1 tag, for example, I write the text HTML and CSS. I save it, I open my web browser. Okay, this is my text. I write the style tag for better understanding, opening and closing. And I write my tag name, that's div, opening and closing. And for example, I write background dash color, and I write a color in here, for example yellow. I save it, I open my web browser. Okay, I change the div size, for example with 200 px and height equal to the 200 px. I save it, I open my web browser. Now you can see that's worked. For example, I want this tag spaced from the bottom. I write my tag name, that's h1 opening and closing, and I write margin dash bottom. For example, I write a value in here in px. 100 px. I save it, I refresh this page. Now you can see that's not work because it has space from the bottom. You can use this tag sometimes, and you can use the margin dash right too. Okay friends, this session is over. Thanks for watching. You can support me by subscribe button. Goodbye.